Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Holiday Inn Wax here in St. Croix Falls, Wisconsin. We have a Schindler MT here to ride. That's a pretty nice motor. '88 film in here, obviously. Quiet policy, interesting. But it's a nice cab. What's up with this? Teaches where to put your hand sanitizer. You just put it on the panel. MT. Showing you the motor again. That motor's pretty good. MT. Here we go. I don't think you can see me in the mirror, but there's a mirror. Schindler. So do it before we'll watch the indicator. Hold this maybe? Not sure. There's a floor in the cab above the elevator. That's a nice motor, especially when you hear it outside. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.